Hey, in front of me is Infinix Hot 11 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in DevCheck. Come on. Now you need to install this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Infinix dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!